How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can get Cloud Code Pro for free. Now, one way that you can do this is by heading over to the Google Anti-Gravity. And from here, if you get their free trials, it simply includes the Cloud Pro trial too. So you can try to get or register yourself on the Google Anti-Gravity. And once again, it will then include that service. Another thing is to simply head over to the Cloud Programs campus. And basically, if you are a student, you will be able to get the Cloud Pro as a trial or as a free in order to use for your campus. So in here, you could simply register to the campus program and you should be good to go. So those are, as of the moment, two ways on how you can do this for free. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.